Oh, here goes nothing. Yeah. Hello and welcome, lovely ladies or gents. Let's open up a box. Oh my goodness. Baggies and paper and metal. That's metal, brah. This look like clamps. Ooh. Got another metal doodad that for sure is a clamp. My goodness, I don't know if I'd ever use this thing. Said nobody ever. Those are important. Wing nuts. Everyone always needs a good wingman. Oh, got our handles. Handles, takey part tools, and the other handle. Pretty nice handle. And this bag, what was in this bag, huh? Well, only the best for the best. All right. Wow, this is the cleanest dust bag I have ever seen. Oh, I'm going to make this thing so dirty you have no idea. What's under the box? Hey, it's a saw. That's kind of cool. It's in one piece. Oh, that's amazing. I was thinking I was going to have to build this whole thing. Right, there's a little hand grippy grip guy. I bet you that means that's where I pull up from. Ooh. Ah. Here's our instructions. You can just throw those away now. But look at this. This is the miter saw. My goodness. It's so clean. Dust free. It is amazing. Oh. This is the first miter saw I've ever got. This thing is fantastic looking. Oh, those are nice little wedge blocks. Nice and protected. Man, dewalt is the best. Look at that. All right, where's my little locky-do? Oh, there it is. Woo! Feel those glides. They glide and be good. Well, yep. It's a miter saw. I don't know what else you expect out of this video. All right, investigation time. Hopefully I don't break it. Huh. On your side, huh? Woo. Oh yeah, there we go. See that here? Ooh la la. And you got yourselves a lock nut. And you got yourselves a wing nut. Oof. Got beefy handles on there. I don't know why someone would have these handles on necessarily, but they're there. Man, I can cut 60-degree angle with this thing. Dude, that's like 30 degrees more than 30. And then last but not least, to get myself my little, got a little hole. Just shove her in there. And then that just goes down. Voila! Then you have your little tool to take off your saw blade. There it is. See how this thing works here, huh? Give her a little test fire. As a user of all things DeWalt, I highly recommend this miter saw for anybody. I've been using one for a long time. Yeah, you should get one.